Hi, today we're looking to plant up this nice Stratco elevated garden bed. We're going to be using a good quality premium potting soil, and we've chosen a selection of colourful annuals for this time of year. Stratco's elevated garden beds are perfect for small gardens and home backyards. You can look to plant vegetables, or in this instance we're going to be planting some celoseas which are nice and colourful for autumn. Okay, let's get the project underway. So we fill the garden bed up now to about 2/3. We're going to allow a bit of a lip at the top here so that when you water the plants, there's somewhere for the water to sit and then sink through. We've got our annual plants here, so these are celoseas. They're beautiful and they flower a lot this time of the year. In terms of taking them out of the pot, these ones are quite fresh in the pot, so they won't need to be teased apart. In terms of planting them through, dig yourself a hole about the size of the pot that it's come out of. Sit them in, gently turn them through so that they're going to sit just nicely and upright. Then pop the soil back around the plants. Don't push down too hard. Allow the water that you use to water them in to let the potting soil soak. So we can do this a couple of times to make sure that this garden bed's nice and full. So there you have it, a quick and easy project that can be done in, say, half an hour. To finish this off, we'll be just watering them in, applying a controlled release fertiliser for a couple of months, and then ongoing it's just a matter of pruning off the old flowers and seeing them flower for the rest of the season.